The spindle is the heart of every HELLER machining centre. Smallest inaccuracies on this component have a direct effect on the precision of the overall system. At the same time, the spindle transfers the entire force onto the workpiece during machining, making it a genuine high-tech product. To satisfy these exacting requirements, HELLER manufactures and assembles its spindles in-house. The assemblies are produced on a specially optimised spindle line in an air-conditioned environment and to highest quality standards. An automatic guided vehicle system conveys the raw parts from the automated storage to the first station, where soft machining of raw parts takes place. Here, the components are given their basic form. In the next step, the parts undergo tempering at the company's own heat treatment shop to guarantee maximum wear resistance. Back on the spindle line, the hardened components are machined to highest precision down to a few microns. During the production process, a flexible flow line conveys the workpieces. Two circular grinding machines literally give the components the finishing touch. The highly precise geometric characteristics of the components are achieved through external and internal grinding. The entire manufacturing process is documented online. The measuring data are transmitted wireless and evaluated to control the process. High-precision measuring equipment provides stringent quality control. The system detects deviations smaller than 1/1000th of a millimetre. If the component fulfills the exacting requirements, the spindles are deburred in a final step. The component is packaged and transported to the storage lift in the warehouse. The spindle is now ready for installation. At the parts supermarket, an employee picks the required items from the storage lifts. He is supported by a networked storage system, providing the required components in an automated manner. This ensures that all components are available at the start of assembly. Assembly is a one-piece flow process. One employee installs all the components in a step-by-step procedure. In this step, the finished assembly is once again checked for absolute precision. Countless individual parts form a masterpiece. The assembly process requires utmost care and years of experience. In a final step, the spindle is gauged and dynamically balanced to ensure perfect concentricity. The laser-etched QR code creates an inseparable connection between the spindle and the recorded measuring data. The well-packaged final product is now ready for installation in a HELLER machining centre.